Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add funds in Namecheap. But before that, I want to let you know that you can access my Namecheap course within my university for free. Inside this Namecheap course, you will learn how to get started with your Namecheap shared hosting, how to manage your website and also email account, and how to optimize your WordPress performance in Namecheap. Plus, you'll get access to my other available courses and also the upcoming ones. To join my university for free, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's see how to add funds in Namecheap. Adding funds in Namecheap is easy. It all starts with signing into your Namecheap account. Once inside your Namecheap account, click under account balance, click on top up. From this page, you can see your current balance and you can select your payment method. For example, I will select PayPal and click on next. Here you can enter the amount you want to add, for example, $100, and click on checkout with PayPal. Now all you have to do is log in into your PayPal account, select if you want to pay with your balance or a credit card, and follow the steps. If you learned something out of this video, don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe. Thank you.